Question. List 2 erosional landforms and 2 depositional landforms found in the surface of hot deserts. Do that, then you explain them for 8 marks. You are listing 4 landforms. Remember 4 for 8 marks. You are describing them for 8 marks. Now let's start with the erosional landforms. The first erosional landforms that we have in the desert, you can take something like a rock pedestal. Rock pedestals are irregular shaped rocks or mushroom-like shaped rocks that are standing on the surface of deserts with irregular sides. An example of a rock pedestal in Africa, we have the Finger of God in Namibia, in South Africa. And then you have the Devil's Rock. Okay, that's the first one. Then you can also talk about your zergens. Zergens will say that tabular line features that have alternative layers of hard and soft rocks standing in the direction of the prevailing winds. Then for the depositional landforms, you have something like dunes. Dunes are heaps of sand that are deposited in the desert as a result of wind abrasion. Apart from dunes, you also have bachans. Bachans, we said, they are moon-shaped like landforms that are standing in the deserts, and they have horns that point in the direction of the prevailing winds. Now, a question can also be asked to you. State 5 characteristics of desert plants. That's plants that grow in the desert. There's a general name that's given to these plants. We call them xerophytes. They're asking you their characteristics. The first character of plants that grow in the desert, you can tell us, plants that grow in the desert have very tough skins to minimize water loss from their bodies. Plants that grow in the desert, some of them have needle-like shaped leaves. All of these are to reduce avenues for transpiration. Plants that grow in the desert, some of them are leafless. Means they are leafless, completely leafless with no leaves. This helps to minimize water loss from a plant's surface. Remember, water is lost from a plant most through the leaves. That's through the process of transpiration. Plants that grow in the desert, examples of plants that grow in the desert